What's up, everybody? So today, you see I'm not on my Harley. Be a test ride of this 2012 Honda 250R. I've actually already ridden this bike. It's actually quite fun for a little 250. It has a lot more power than I thought it was gonna have, but it's been many years since I've been on a 250, so I don't know. It is completely stock. Everything on it is stock.
That's what she said.
So there's no aftermarket, nothing. So basically it's stock horsepower, stock everything. And that's actually what surprises me about the bike, of what all it has. I mean, it actually's got some pretty good power to it.
That's what she said.
More than what I would expect from a 250. The power range in it is like anywhere from like 4 on, 5,000 on, something like that. It's a lot colder out here than I thought it was. I think it's like 50 degrees or 47, 50 degrees, I don't know. But it's kind of chilly. I don't really know a whole bunch of details about this bike. I don't even know how much it weighs. The hell? I know it's light. It's very flickable.
That's what she said.
It moves all over the place. But in higher gears, it does not have much get up and go. Lower gears, it actually does. Has a lot more than what I expect. A lot more power than what I really expected. I gotta be honest with you. Trying to figure out which way I want to go here. Let's keep going straight. Fuck it. We're kind of in an area I really don't know that well, so yeah, it's a super light bike. It's got, I mean, for a 250, I mean, you know, it ain't got no damn 600 power or nothing like that, but for a 250, like I said, it really does surprise me how much power it has. And, you know, real high RPMs and low RPMs, it ain't got shit unless you're in first or second. Trying to get to a good spot here, because this thing wheelies too. Got cars coming up behind me, and I'm in a 35-mile-an-hour zone, but I gotta slow down because so far the only way I've been able to get it to wheelie is clutch up in first, so I might fuck around on this road real fast. I know where I'm at. I'm up here by the damn drive-in theater. I'm gonna come back out and hit that road and do some speed on it. Oh, this is fucked. Somebody's been up here doing donuts.
Wheelie time!
The turning radius on this thing is cute little wheelies. I don't know if it'll do it in a second. And maybe if I pull up really, really hard. So get out here on the highway real quick. I did not realize it was a 6-speed. I went for that 6th gear and sure as shit there it was. Didn't get much out of it. I got about 76, something like that. I don't know really how much I can review this. I mean, it's Just the Honda 250, it's fun. I will admit, it's fucking fun. If I had the money, I would have bought this bike just because it's fun. I mean, I'd have dumped a shit ton in it to make it go faster and do some better wheelies, but I just know it's a 2012. It's got 7,300 miles on it. Completely stock. I had to find a spot to actually get a camera view on it so y'all can see the colors on it. Let's do a quick little walk around. You see the colors? It's kind of that older style Honda colors. See that stock exhaust though. cbr250r. The thing I really don't like, I don't like the headlights on these, but I do like the side pieces. Those are pretty cool. Like I said, you know, it's a surprising powerful bike. The speed I got it up to just now was a little bit disappointing, but that'll all be changed soon. I know exhaust is coming for it. Not gonna dump a whole bunch of money into it, but the exhaust is gonna get changed out. I think gonna go ahead and do a fender delete kit on it. But it's fun. I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting kind of cold. Yeah, so just a few upgrades and probably make it a pretty cool bike. Maybe get a clutch up in second and be able to ride the wheelie out a little bit instead of just popping wheelies. I apologize for my I don't know, the way I'm talking and shit. I haven't been feeling too good past couple days. Feeling really bad last night.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it. I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul.
But anyways, just for a quick test ride, like I said, I've ridden it before. It's a pretty fun damn bike. You know, didn't pay very much for it. 2012 was 7,300, paid $2 grand, I think. So, you know, didn't pay much for it. I think it's worth the money. You know, make a great beginner bike. I just have to admit that. This is like a great beginner bike. Alright, well, test over. I'm going back to the house, I'm cold. But anyways, pretty good starter bike, I believe. Recommended. Honda 250R. I'll catch y'all on the flip side.